everyone, this is Miss Sai, the ELD teacher here at Oak, and I wanted to show some few cool things that we are able to do during distance learning. One really cool thing for ELD students is our Canvas. They are able to go to Accounts, Settings, Edit Settings, and they are able to change the language of the entire canvas, which is really great for our ELD students. They can change it to any language that they need. Another really cool thing is if this is not enough, they can actually translate everything through the Google Translate app in Chrome. So they would just have to click here, translate this page, and pick whatever language they need. And the whole thing turns into the language that they need. And they can do this for any of their assignments, which is great. A lot of the students have a hard time reading actual textbooks and PDFs, but with digital school, they can access almost everything. Another really cool feature is Google Sheets, Google Docs. This is an amazing lesson given to the kiddos from Miss Ho. If this is too much English for some of the ELD students, they are able to translate it to a different language. So translate document, choose a language, translate, and they're able to read everything in their preferred language. They can also translate it back into English if they need to. Very amazing. Another really cool feature that we do during distance learning is learning how to write 5-paragraph MLA format essays. This was really great with distance learning because I am actually able to share my screen and all my students can see each other's work. And it was a really great way for them to learn how to write a 5-paragraph essay. One of the most amazing things that I believe Miss Cheryl and I did this year was to get them to write a 5-paragraph essay, MLA format, with text evidence. This would have been pretty difficult in person, but it actually turned out really well online. And the kiddos did pretty well with the 5-paragraph essay. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. Another thing that's really great is the study sync that the district got us. The students can read anything here in their preferred language by clicking this, translate page, and they can do it in whatever language that they need. And it will turn the entire text into Spanish, Korean, Vietnamese, Chinese, anything that they need. So it's been pretty great for the ELD students with distance learning because it's not a physical piece of paper that they have to read and take a dictionary to translate. Everything is accessible to them with the click of a button. Another great thing is, of course, Zoom. Zoom is pretty cool. There is a great feature here with live transcripts, which I will show you right here. I can talk and the Zoom will record my entire lecture. The only downside is I have to talk very slow with very clear enunciation. But other than that, it's pretty cool. You can see the transcript here on this corner. The students who may not fully understand the lecture at that moment can copy and paste this to a Google Translate, and they can read the entire lecture later. Chatting is also great for the ELD kiddos. A lot of them are very shy to speak because of their accents, which nothing wrong with them, they are just shy. But with the chat feature with Zoom, they are able to write down everything they want to say in a translating app in their preferred language and then translate it to English and put it into the chat room. So that was a really great feature for them. I had quite a few kids chatting with me, answering questions during our lessons. So those are some pretty amazing things that we were able to accomplish through distance learning.